Hey everyone, and welcome back to Baby in the City. I decided to divvy on over to the Lincoln Park to spend a beautiful summer morning at the Green City Market. The market is open Wednesdays and Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m., now through November 21st. I got here early so we could take a look around before it gets way too busy. From fresh produce, local vendors, gorgeous flowers, and plenty of delicious finds, there's so much to see. So let's explore the Green City Market. Come on, let's go for a walk. enjoyed exploring the Green City Market with me. I love seeing all the fresh produce, local vendors, and of course, all those beautiful flowers. It's not just the market that makes it such a great place to visit. It's the view of the city that just takes your breath away. If you live in the area or you're looking for something fun to do on a Wednesday or Saturday, definitely come and check it out. And before I leave the area, there's another hidden gem I want to show you. Just across the street is the beautiful David M. McKay Memorial Garden. And that's where we're headed next Sunday. Thanks so much for coming along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next Sunday on BB in the City, where every corner has a story.